Hey YouTube, hope you had a great day of trading. As always, I really appreciate your support. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn more about investing, subscribe to this channel. I've been getting a lot of feedback to create a video on my dividends, given the size of my portfolio. Currently at $850,000. Past year, up 11.59%. Cash position of $500 at a yield of 4.5% because I have Robinhood Gold. I do have another $100,000 in a high yield savings account at a yield of 4.25% that I'll gradually deploy into the market when there's opportunities to buy. So today I'm going to make a video on my dividends, taking a look at my dividends activity. Look at the first one is Alibaba, which is giving $68 for my holdings. Alibaba is e-commerce giant in China. They also have cloud computing, among other digital services. They're also paying out a $74 dividend for me. Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company paying out $72. This is a semiconductor chip company, and there's been a lot of demand for their products given the demand in artificial intelligence and data centers. Next is Nvidia paying out $15. I do have over 1,500 shares that I got at an average cost of $5. And this is big in GPUs as well as data centers. Meta, which is an online advertising company, pays out $33. Google, or the parent company, is named Alphabet, paying out $16 for Class C shares. Class A shares, which has voting rights, paying out $21. Next is Microsoft, paying $67. Microsoft is an enterprise solutions company. Next is Visa, which is a payment processing company. This paying out almost $40. Costco, which is a warehouse retailer. A lot of the revenues from their Costco membership, paying out almost $20. And they've been trying to create more value for their members. So, for example, like for executive members, allowing for early hours, since sometimes their stores are quite crowded, so improving that experience for the users. Next is Apple, which a lot of their revenue is from iPhone. They also have tablets, iPads, computers, their Mac computers, and a lot of the other services like iCloud, Apple Music, Arcade, News, a lot of the premium digital services, paying out $57. Next is S&P 500 ETF, paying out $485. I am also selling covered call options to generate passive income. Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, paying out $65. Nvidia, $15. I did have a significant amount of VOO, but I updated that to SPY instead, just because there's more liquidity in SPY, paying out $140. Vanguard Growth ETF, paying out $45. Vanguard Information Technology ETF, paying out $34. Meta is $33. Google Class A shares, which has voting rights, paying $18. Google Class C shares, paying $15. Microsoft, $16.7. Visa, paying $39. Costco, $17. One thing I didn't mention is Costco sometimes pays out a special dividend every couple years to reward their shareholders for holding their stock. Apple, paying $55. SPY, paying $448. TSM, $58. So that's all the dividends year to date for 2025. Let me know what you think about my portfolio and dividends. What are you holding in your portfolio? Comment down below. See you in the next video.